In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete remove admin member from ClickUp Workspace. Before we start, a quick note on permissions. To remove an admin from a ClickUp Workspace, you need to be a workspace owner or have the proper rights to manage members. If you don't see the options I mentioned, check your role or contact an owner to adjust your access. Open ClickUp and head to your team space overview. From there, go into My Workspace. This takes you to the high-level view of your workspace where you can manage settings and people. Inside My Workspace, look for the People section. This is your central hub for membership management, showing all users, their roles, and their access levels across the workspace. Once you're in People, locate the admin you want to remove. If your workspace is large, use the search bar to quickly find them by name or email. Click the person's name to open their member details. You'll see their role, activity, and any relevant workspace information. Next, open the three-dot menu on their profile. From that menu, choose Remove. ClickUp will prompt you to confirm, since removing someone immediately revokes their access to your workspace, including spaces, folders, and tasks they could previously view or edit. Confirm the action to finalize the removal. A few helpful tips as you do this. Removing an admin does not delete their past work or history. Tasks, comments, and docs they created remain in your workspace for record keeping and continuity. Depending on your plan and current settings, you may be asked to reassign items during removal, or you can handle reassignment afterward by filtering for items assigned to that person and updating ownership. If your goal is only to limit privileges rather than fully remove access, consider changing their role to member from the same menu instead of removing them altogether. If you don't see the remove option, you likely don't have sufficient permissions. You must be a workspace owner or an admin with member management rights to remove another admin. Also, if the person is the only remaining workspace owner, you'll need to add or promote another owner before you can remove them. That's it. Navigate to Overview, open My Workspace, go to People, select the admin, and use the three-dot menu to remove them. Afterward, take a moment to review your remaining admin list to ensure the right people still have elevated access. This helps keep your workspace secure and organized as your team evolves.